The raptors, they needed a whole new level of vocals because they're now communicating with their caretaker, with Owen. And there needs to be a dialogue there. And it needs to be a more passive dialogue. And there's a relationship there.
Go!
We definitely relied on the original Raptor vocals for a lot of the film. We just augmented their vocal library. So you'll hear those sounds whenever they are with Owen and they're calm and they're comfortable with his presence.
You don't scare me.
And the great thing about being able to do this is that you can identify who the bad guys are and who the good guys are. And the raptors are friends. The other thing that Gary did in his first film was he used his dog a lot. And I have a dog, I have a black lab, so she makes quite a few appearances in this film as well. And I think that's one of them, just a slowed down sort of lip kind of sound.